Today here with another video in which we are going to review a mobile phone pouch, and to watch all the reviews of the same videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. 8HR NO Transfer Formula. Color stays where it belongs on your lips. Powerful pigment blend. Delivers opaque, vivid matte color in one coat. Built-in, dual function primer. Extends wear and prevents transfer for a long-lasting, smudge-proof finish. Primer smooths and bonds to lips and grips color pigments. Naked lip feel, infused with antioxidant vitamin E to help condition, protect and nourish. Precise application. Angled bullet ensures an effortless glide. Compare with similar items. Color Reach Lip Color. Indulge in richness beyond compare with our most luxuriously rich color and hydration. Color Reach Lipstick is enriched with nourishing ingredients like omega-3, vitamin E, and argan oil to soften lips. Gorgeous hydrating lip color. Keep lips soft, smooth, and ultra-hydrated with Color Reach Lipstick. Choose from a spectrum of show-stopping shades for lasting, creamy color that delivers intense hydration. L'Oreal Paris Lipsticks. Whether you want a bold red lipstick or the perfect nude, you can choose a color for every occasion. Choose matte lipstick for highly pigmented shades, or choose creamy lipstick colors for smooth, soft, and hydrated lips, because you're worth it. L'Oreal Paris Makeup helps you create the look you want with our full line of makeup, including faux